How to make Chrome faster. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to make your Chrome browser faster. So let me show you step by step how to do it. So step 1, click on this three dot, go to settings. So go to this performance. Under this performance, here is first this option, inactive tabs appears. So turn it on. So after you turn this on, scroll to down. So it says memory saver. So choose this, the middle one. Balance, that's recommended. Get balance memory saving. Your tab become inactive after an optional period of time. So check this one. So the next thing, now click on this new tab again. Next step, click on this three dot again. Go to settings again. So now click on this privacy and security. So now from this option, now click on this delete browsing data. So from this option now, here are all your browsing data, cookies, caches, and download history. So all you have to do now, click on this. Make sure you check on all this and click on this one, more, and go to all time. So from this option now, it will give you the amount of size that they use from your memory. So click on this delete data and wait for some seconds. From there, it will delete all the data for you. After it finishes deleting all the data, this will make your Chrome browser faster. So the last step to follow, now click on this new tab again. Go to this three dot again. Go to settings. After you open the settings, scroll to down. The last option, about Chrome. After you click on the about Chrome, so from there, the Chrome browser will go and start updating the Chrome browser. So after it finish updating the Chrome browser, it will give you this option where it says relaunch. So click on the relaunch button. So now it will just update the Chrome browser. So that's it, guys, on how to make your Chrome browser faster. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next one.